See that? That's what we have to deal with. Maybe in decorating. And we have a spot here where needs cleaning. Also, we have a flagpole. And we have a parking. We have a space here. It's like ano, pambayanan siya. So merong bamboos. So from this side, it looks great. Needs cleaning. But here, man, really needs work. Right? So these are the trees here. This one here. So there are a few plants. We'll pray that there's a great rainbow in the sky.